I'm me a baby father.
No, I'm me a baby father.
I'm me a baby father. Tell him, which one I will be read you?
No, me a baby father.
Which one I will be read you? Talk no?
Talk.
Back in action like we never left. This is Davi Dan HD. YouTube, wanna deal with. Welcome back to a brand new movie. This one is called You Are Not the Father. Might be you are not the father. Might be she's not the father. What you have to do, watch the movie and find out. People, in the meantime, in between time, you see subscription button, you want to know all you and thump it, beat up it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you comment your favorite part. Also, we look donations for the team, go to Panama so we can film some movie, just get some experience, do some vlogging and just let you know what go on. So if you can help us, any member of the team reach to Panama, we'll be very grateful for it. Okay? But grab some popcorn, get your family. This is Davi Dan HD. Active.
I like the way you spend on me. I like how you handle me. But the truth of the matter, it doesn't matter. You are not the father. You are not the father. You're just a lover. Just a lover. You are not my baby daddy. You keep calling me princess.
Can we start to get night breakfast? Jaja.
Mommy, I
What up, Kayla, morning?
need a tired man. And I don't know what I do, but I'm just tired. I feel
Exhausted.
No sleep last night. Me get sleep, man, but I don't know, I feel so tired. Just feel tired.
Probably baby did up all night.
Yeah, he active, I know, you know. He active bad.
We have 2 months and solid.
Yes, 2 months to be exact.
Okay.
And 2 days.
Mm-hmm.
This is so coming now.
What you eat for your breakfast?
I said, I don't know yet.
I don't want nothing night or see. Maybe I want porridge and I'll call too long me take 50.
I don't know yet. I don't know where I look, but
You put them up swell, Kayla.
Yes, I see them stay. They are well swell up.
You did put them up?
Yes, me tell you. You see, this morning put them up, and then the swellings we gone down, and then by the time they come back, then I'm like, what? Go right out this and come back, then just swell back up. So
When I lay down, put on one pillar.
you know, really
Yeah, I
make
just put down to the foot and then. Here?
Yes, up more.
Mm-hmm.
You know, say the baby soon come and all of that, right?
Me excited. We can't wait to be one grandmother.
But
But what?
you know, say me really and truly want me. But I appreciate it if my baby father part of the baby life.
How you mean they appreciate? He has to be.
No, you know, if you been sometime in a work out.
I mean, sometime in a workout.
You know, this moment yeah, somebody can happy. And then when baby born, things change.
Okay.
Yes.
That's something else I should know.
No, I not necessarily know.
Well, all if you're not there with you, or you don't live with him, you go have a co-parent. So,
No, but I want me and him to be together. Me don't want the baby have 2 home. I
Alright.
know what Chuk want done your son. Me don't
Alright.
want that.
you want. That's what you say, no?
Yes.
You want.
I want the baby.
So you want, you alone want, what him want?
But I know when he come here. Time I plan to come here today.
Yeah, because I can't wait to meet him, because I know I don't meet him better. Come and go all the time when they're about on the business. I know I know that they be.
No, mommy, listen to me. You know, sometimes you have some ways.
Mm-hmm.
You know when you see him and I judge him.
I'm not judge him, I'm not going to do that.
I see him and trouble because my last when my dad talked to that trouble me saying it big.
Alright.
So, me know when you want to find fault with that one, yeah.
That no say me nothing know him. He get you pregnant, we go get one grandbaby soon.
But yes.
You think I want handbag you carry or a mango or some kind of fruits? I want baby Kayla. Human being like me and you.
And mommy, no worry yourself. He might come here today.
I already want myself, so you can't tell me that.
Today I'll come here, but mommy, please, maybe you see if you have any opinion, wait till you if your head too big or your foot too long or anything wrong with
Tell him I must find no fault with him. You know?
just
And it be my problem with him, I'm not going to tell him. I'm going to say it to you.
yeah, say it to me, I say it to him.
Exactly.
But
I'm not going to disrespect him because you're other half. So now share one baby there together.
so you don't come here today, be on your best behavior.
I want him here again.
No, mommy, actually, the last time you did tell the other one in front of your face a hand big. You never tell your name like him.
I never hate him. He hate it just big, but I never lie. But
What
anyway.
again, mommy? You get a text message.
Anyway, where's about your breakfast now?
Oh, see my walker come there. Remember, good behavior.
In the Kayla?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm not going to go with nothing, I promise. My baby self.
Man.
Morning.
Good morning.
Happening alright.
Yeah, man, how are you?
Put on the
How
back,
you
please.
Kayla, bring something for me, but you know.
Yes. Hi.
1 box of Pampers.
It's lovely.
At the right brand too.
Huggies.
Huggies.
Them one are expensive still, you know. Them one are not really cheap. But you see, try my first youth.
Yeah.
I have to go hard or go home.
Okay.
So you can see
You're not
now.
that expensive, are you?
TIBBY, meet my
Let me pick
mother.
up them here, make you see them.
Go in.
Nice to meet you.
father.
Nice to
Man,
meet you.
I'm here Kayla,
Long
beautiful
time I
father.
want to meet you, you know.
A long time I want me to Kayla, we talk about to say a good man and them things there, you
Now
know.
the day come up, my ears say I was on the board, so finally I know.
Yeah, man.
Alright, have a seat.
So, man.
Sheila, yeah, me come over here and make you sit down here, so.
No, man.
Come sit down side of Kayla.
Right now, this one hot.
If you tell her,
Kayla. The Pampers I can't do anything, you know. So, I have some wipes to buy and some things, some rest of things, you know.
Yes.
You know, so me I come a while ago. I swear, think of your sister this.
Yeah.
I swear. Auntie,
how make you say that?
no, I just told how you're brown and slim. Shouldn't even have said that.
Oh, anyway, so I want me too young to be Kayla, mother.
You know, say you look like you're younger than your daughter.
You can't say that, but you have sense.
Hello. You don't see me here, so?
Sorry. What me I say? Your mother look young like she in her 16, 17, 18, you know?
Yes. But
So
you can't
she
say she look or me look older than her.
No, man, I barely. When time that they pick in the barn, you know, you go fresh up.
Hello,
Back, you know?
stick a pin, I know that they pick me there. When the baby born,
Yeah.
or address the baby by name, can her name by no.
Yeah, when the baby born.
Yes, no style my grandbaby like that, he unborn and he
You go fresh up back. You know, like when plants dead and when rain touch you, look water touch you, just fresh up. So
Yeah.
you go look.
Anyway, long story short, nice to meet you. So I only Pampers I want to bring for you now.
You know, say, I pass. I have a money in my pocket and I just say, alright, I'm going to buy this. Yeah. So,
Oh.
you know, we have to take time by them. Look at
So just buy one bag set, man. Buy one bag set and bring it when you come. Next time you do it.
Yeah,
If you have the money next time you just book up, you just buy a bag set. You understand?
Yeah, next
But
time
like
you
how
do.
you play a good father figure.
I told me not really have much money for me, because I did just say me I can look for Kayla, but I see something nice, so I just buy it.
Okay.
Can't walk empty-handed.
Anyway, I'm going to get no space to cook it. I'm going to go and read. Kayla, me inside.
Yeah.
When you're ready, you come. You say I want breakfast for breakfast.
Alright, big up yourself.
Alright, take care.
Yes. So now you meet my mother and everything.
Be first, amen.
Me like when you bring the Pampers, come, but you couldn't bring at least one juice for me.
Kayla, appreciate what me do.
No, me appreciate it. Could I buy a bag juice for me?
Look how it's so hot. I want come, you know. Me there I want one bag juice to drink more than you right now. And me buy Pampers. Then me buy Pampers.
Well, you like how you act like I'm a good father already.
Yes,
You'll be
I
a
am.
great father.
Only thing right now for me left to do, you know, I try to get some more supplies and see if we can buy up some clothes. Because I don't buy up little things already, you know. I remember say, me and one man we are struggling, you know. And I like to me have it, you know. I don't have it. But me is I trying you towards my son. Because you see, from the very moment when I go do the autopsy, what do you, I realize I want boy baby me I get. I trade even.
Listen to me. Don't make my mother hear say that I'm not my mother believes that you don't. I know autopsy is an ultrasound. Autopsy is what do on dead people.
So me not think ultrasound are like when I work on sound system. You have
No, don't tell me so my mother hear.
Oh, alright. So you name them now when we are plan for give boy. You have any name in mind?
No, not really, you know.
Try come up with something, man. Just if I have one name where you
How about
think
Prince?
Prince.
Hmm?
I like Prince. Prince sound like too much Charlie.
Or you can name him Riches.
Yeah, can't name him that. But what we are gonna put the baby when he born?
Up here. Up here, we're going to put the baby. Where else is the baby going to go?
So you sure your mother are comfortable with that?
Yes, remember I said the baby have to stay because I said you live with your parents. My main parents can't subway, so the baby have to stay with me. You can come and visit.
What you think about you see with me? I'm try if you see you look and try to build a one room.
Well, you can't do that, but me don't think you want me to go down in nice space at 2 months.
No, about 4 sheet apply, make one box. I will use the bush when time we belly hot way. You too young to use bush?
No, but well, for the first 2 weeks, they have to go stay in my mother yard then.
Yeah, you can do that. Once your mother agree and accept you can tell her, you can do that.
My mother agree already. Why my mother won't agree?
Just make sure, you know. I see how when my son are born, which is, me want them at the delivery home. So when him are born, you can hold my hand.
And me will squeeze your tight so you feel all of the pain and you feel.
Excuse me. And I know say me listen to the business, but me overheard something about the delivery home.
Yeah, Mom did it with me.
They can't come.
Why you can't
Father
come?
is not allowed. Only in a foreign country they do there something there. They don't do that at Jamaica. Father is not allowed in the delivery room.
God, me I say no, me that's glad for love to see that. Like when the baby are born, oh God man, I feel so proud of me pick me and him they even born it.
Okay.
Yes, but I don't want you to do this so I can squeeze it so you can feel the pain. Because I don't mean when I make the baby and me and him.
Anyway, Kayla. I look like a one good father.
Yes, I am.
You look happy together too.
So
I want
Kayla,
this to work out though.
nice to meet you and your mother.
Yeah.
And nice to call me over for make me meet your mother.
Yes.
So me will-
You have to go leave now.
Alright, now we'll go for more, you know. So,
Yes.
see Pampas. them.
Yes.
You can-
Thank you very much.
No lift them, you know. you
No,
have
me
to
not
lift
lift them.
No matter
Me
what.
want them.
Yeah, them Pampas they're expensive. Take time
Yeah,
with them.
thanks. We're
Yeah.
grateful.
I ain't drop
appreciate
them
it.
and mash them.
Don't pay no man. You love run joke.
See that that's all it could be. You want to talk
Yeah,
to-
mommy. Me want to talk to you about something. Somebody go else don't come here. I want you to keep your opinion.
Give you my opinion.
No, want you
Somebody
keep...
else like who?
Somebody else don't come here. Want you to keep your opinion to yourself.
And if we can't keep two of them black, yeah.
Yo man, why pray?
Where are you? I say I go and I can from big contract, man.
You can't check. Why? What's your alcohol one what me get do that?
So you can join me on the team.
What I mean?
Like, give me peace, I hope.
Me don't know where no work at that. Me never see how do them work at it.
Bro, right now things are hard for me, you know, dog.
You,
Over my baby mother, me I come from, you know.
feel life can't hard. First thing you're brown dog. Yo, bro, you feel life can't hard, brother. You're supposed to look on you and give your money.
Bro, what you talk about? You know how much thousand me spend for one pack of Huggies Pampers what them baby mother go do ultrasound, you know?
Huggies. Bro, when my picnic just born, I 2 kerchief me buy. One for man and one for night and wrap him up. You know about nothing? What
Bro.
kind of Huggies? I hug him.
Bro, tell you the truth. 7 brothers, 7 different man. More my youth can't live life, bro, cause me never used to live none back then, bro. So my life I feel live, my son I feel live comfortable, dog.
Bro, I'm madness still, man. Big up yourself.
And my last money me take still and buy, you know, dog. So if you have no work, you can give me, dog, you link me, bro. Or if no work, they bought the place where you know, you can call me, bro.
Alright. You know, I'm line up right now, dog. It's a kind of solo project. Alright, watch out. You would work with me at the time and buy your lunch. Cause watch out, me can't pay you really, you know, cause this money I only want 10 grand I get a day, dog. And then me have to give me girl them, me have to pay vagina bill.
Bro, you're mad, bro. Buy lunch. My money me need, bro.
Well, that me I should say what now even make no sense then, bro. Between me and you.
Nah, make no sense, bro.
But yo, how we a breed?
No, female up the road that's her name Kayla. You don't know her?
Kayla.
A slim, dark complexion.
Kayla, bad as you know.
Bro, I lie, I tell. Oh, yeah, do this me.
I joke me, man.
Oh, bro, no run them the joke the next time, dog.
I frost me, man.
I
But
try.
yo, you see, if you want to walk still, if nothing pop up, me short you. But it's not guaranteed that because I say it's kind of solar thing. You know me?
Yeah. Alright, me there about still. You don't have to reach out to me.
Yeah, my pamper, kerchief them said we, you know, you want, right, you see me?
Alright.
Pampers are fit done, you know.
Alright.
Kerchief can wash out.
Our congregation will keep.
Don't worry yourself.
What do you mean if I say go and talk to you about something?
Body man.
Somebody else come now?
Yeah, somebody will come now, so bring in the pampers. Me no want the pampers.
I'm bringing the Kayla, I'm bringing it, but me have to sit for 1 minute. You know what I say? Me walk in a house and hear what the man say. You have to go do a tap sip on your belly. Me lick me face in a place, look here. Me lick me face in a fridge and bust me forehead right here, so.
Mommy, you know so
What kind of man that, Kayla?
you know so intelligent.
You know, so intelligent. I hope the baby get his smartness and the brightness from Fury side of the family. You understand?
Yes.
Kind of like he's so righteous. You said Oh, so I agree saying you're so righteous.
Yes, me know, mommy, but mommy,
Okay.
me case, man, mommy, me case, I'm bringing in the pampers. Me know what the people them see the pampers.
You know, only illiterate. You cranky too.
Mommy, you go, yes.
Yeah, I can't pampas.
Yes, me case, I'll come back. Remember, keep your opinion to yourself.
You know that me do a while ago? Me do sure.
When the other person come, go on.
The person look like he important. He soon come.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, babe.
Morning again, sweetheart. Why, baby, me not tell no lie. I'm so excited.
I want to say.
You don't know what I say? I don't have course me I come from. Me go buy this baby.
What?
Me youth.
What?
Then say a baby bubble bath. So me buy a film. Then say 7,000 feet.
This is for what?
For this baby, sit here and carry for baby.
But Jesus Christ, man, puppy, you're going to go better.
Babe.
Good morning. Yawa.
Hello.
Yawa. Yawa. Kayla, what is?
Babes, how would you say I come ask me say how are this?
This is my mother. How mother is my mother?
Are you mother?
Yes, I'm my mother.
Oh my god. What's up?
Kayla.
Good mother-in-law. My name, no man, sorry.
But now when you touch me,
Yeah.
now I catch
Yeah,
you.
baby,
Kayla.
Yes, mommy.
Baby father, you say?
Me yes, my baby father.
What kind of baby father?
baby, I the bubble bath this time, so
Me buy a
baby.
bubble bath for the baby.
You got sense? I garbage bin that day, Kayla.
Time would you have 7,500 feet. Babes, you know look nice.
Jesus, if you're busy,
Yeah,
come here.
it
Baby, you know what I say, I hear me like go do, and me look and me say, this look more better. Right now, better me look like a crow for me youth. Alright, I'm go and me get that feel.
Father,
I'm
God,
not
you're
doing
busy,
it
come
here.
here. Kayla, sit down.
Yes,
listen.
it is.
When was it down?
No, mommy, me have to talk to you. Yes, it is. Next time when I go,
Sit
when I
down.
go buy something for the baby, you bring me with you.
So what happened to you?
Cause me feel like say, maybe your hair put up too tight, so your brain and squeeze you. You're not functions alright, you know.
What's your name?
Babe, put it down. Bubble
No.
party, boy, if the baby can't night.
Me I go put it on to put
soak
dirty
up and
things in it.
something.
Me put dirty.
What? For what kind of dirty
Put the
things?
baby diaper them in when you take
The
care.
baby pampers them.
Yeah, when you take them off, you put them in.
Don't do that.
This I can't put.
7,500
Me
feet, you
can't-
can't buy something to put dirty
Hold on,
diaper
hold on,
and you
wait,
can't do
wait,
that,
hold on,
baby.
wait, oi. Stick a wallet popping. Hey, what's your name? Kayla, why
I mean,
name?
Mr. Rich, man, don't worry about him, man. Money ain't no problem, baby. You don't know that already.
Mr.
But
Yeah.
I'm so scammer, you know.
Your name is a rich man?
I mean, that's what they call me. My last name, Riches.
Oh, then.
Yeah, Riches, my name.
Riches. You can hear that name there already. Riches. So, Sophia helmet look for say a scammer? I helmet this?
Babe, here, just call me if anything. You hear?
Yes, me will call you.
And if your baby kicking on your belly, just call me.
Me will call
And
you.
if you say dada, I'll win a bonnet.
Yes,
Just call
me
me.
go call you. Anything you call you.
And just put on your bath, yeah, baby?
Yeah, me I'll put it on. Thank
Alright,
you.
yeah, baby, love you. And if
Yeah,
you're
love you
hungry,
too.
call me.
Me I'll call you. Come
If you want me to rub down your belly,
call.
alright, baby, later, here.
Yes, later.
Alright, remember, you know, money and no problem, here.
Yes.
Alright.
And if you want help,
What?
you can go 10 floor Bellevue, call me. If you want help, you can him go Bellevue. Don't
can't-
Sablaman Hospital
Stop
at
telling
10 floor, call me.
Stop talking about my baby father.
How much baby father you got? You look like you don't
So
got no
baby,
baby father.
me
Me
have-
have to be this a baby, a
No,
father,
see
and
me.
mother, and
Me
grandmother.
have 2 baby daddy.
Who if you have two baby daddy?
You don't know people have two baby daddy. When you there do road.
Which people me don't know nobody will have no two baby daddy?
When you there go a road and you do things and you're not using protection and you have more than
now
one.
when you are go road, because when me a go road, me use protection.
Yes.
And helmet me wear helmet.
I was doing things, me that do things with the two of them. And me didn't use a protection.
So you don't know who I do.
So me don't know who. So me tell the two of them. Me tell the two of them. Me tell one of them say a boy and one of them say a girl.
Oh. You tell one of them say a boy and one a girl. Okay. So you don't know what kind of baby I go have then?
No.
You don't know because you say one of them no say a boy and one no say a girl. So you don't know what kind of baby you are going to have.
Me know what kind of baby me I have. Me just tell them that.
What the hell? So what the baby born, where you go do?
Anyone that baby come out and look like the father.
No, I know so you go. You don't work like that. You ever go do one day, Because there's a pity not look like he got no father. No, a pass on donkey, yeah, play. Pass on donkey.
It's not a pass on donkey business. Me don't do no DNA.
You have to do no DNA. It's DNA. DNA.
Me not doing DNA. Me not doing it.
Your mother like a two baby father.
Listen to me. You see the baby them?
Baby them?
No.
A two baby or a one baby?
I'm a baby them. The two of them are my baby. Two man them are my baby them. You see the baby? It's good to have two daddy.
Want some girl with ginger tea.
One can sing for Monday and one can sing for Tuesday.
Well, on, you had the short day. Feed man and come see baby.
I told man, you know, and he told them half for me two.
I told idiot. We don't want them.
No, two of them is not idiot. You see TIBBY now? TIBBY nice and TIBBY sweet and he treat me nice. But you see Mr. Rich is now. He rich and he rough. Even though he dressed like a croft.
He look like a croft for you.
He don't look like a croft. He just
look
dress,
like a
but
croft.
he have money and he do the things them properly what TIBBY not doing.
Okay, he have money. So he buy him 2 bubble bath. You know, so that if my foot, me now so working at this. Not if my foot, me can't associate. Give me
Give me $7,000 in same paper.
that I won't tell you. Give me this. This is $1,000. That should have.
Watch, yeah.
That can't be no newborn baby now.
Me not be the baby night, but he taking hard on time. He money, why make
Kayla, you listen to yourself. Me think you act weird for a morning.
Me no say no
Something
better
right
for me.
about you. No, something not right about you.
You know better for me? Come and know my father, you know.
Yes, because your father
At
dead.
my opinion, you get two.
Your father dead.
No, that's what you tell me.
Long time in dead.
And that's what you tell me, no never true.
I right on top of me in dead.
You're right.
So now ask me after, tell me, I tell you.
You have all right. Don't worry yourself. Me I go in.
Go on.
I tell you keep your opinions to yourself.
And I keep no opinion to myself. I be a madman you have. 2 madman breed you one time. Nonsense. Me worried right now coming on with my grandpa will got no father.
No, brother. Bro, lunch break me dip on now, dog. Right now, I'm buy taxi. I want to see if you send him go buy one Popeyes or something, bro. I should even know because from morning, me and son walk. What do you mean if me get paid for lunch? I mean when I walk, me take my lunch out, me feel like boss have to pay me for that said time. Feel like I don't capping thing. I will run this, bro.
Really, man?
Hold on. Active. Where are you with?
Where are you dealing?
How that John Rich?
Believe the man, I want riches, man. Where are you dealing?
Yeah, bro, I can't take my lunch break, you know. Where you dealt with?
Why? You want to know yourself, my baby mother may fall from the hook, right now. I buy a bubble bath for you, you know. You see it? I'm going to tell you, 7,500 me pay for it, you know.
Where call bubble bath?
Where baby can soap up, man, and you know them little bathtub something like
Like bath pan?
Right, one little bubble bath.
Ah.
Yeah, man, and I look one them, man. 7,500 me pay for it, man.
When me have my pick, you know, dog. I want bucket me sitting there bathing me now. You know, if paint bucket them have paint coming out. I wash out that fully of soap water and bathe off of that.
Allah ya tell.
Yeah, bro.
You does that?
Yeah. We just tear off a banana leaf. Rest of
Yeah.
that, that's all. Soap up it.
You're the easiest little dog.
Bro, for me put me tough like a nail, dog.
But yo, you know me not do them thing that dog. You know say you see me, money is not an issue for me. You know say me rich already and you know that already. Cause I say we do the we not have to talk it out. You see it?
Yeah.
Cause I say all my gates for going in my yard. You see it? Me just go so. Percy and go in, dog. When I get to me I walk in, dog, I show me want to walk in. Yeah, dog, you show me fat dog and my belly big so me I walk and take off. You see it? But you know me can drive or me can ride a bike, dog. Just me want to walk.
I heard that idea, man. That's how I'm to eat there, the jail tree. The jail leaf.
It's really?
Yeah.
Yo, you know say I park up the door, dog.
You
Come
know,
just tired out.
you know nobody for drive with you.
Nah, man, you good, man. You see it?
You sure?
Yeah, man, I'm sure, man.
If they park for you more than 2 hours and somebody not drive them, the engine seize up and mash up in the dog. So,
No,
like how you walk, you know your friend name would have. You
No, if you seize up, if you seize up, dog, you know, We money no fees up.
Well, that's true. So, what is it, baby mother?
Yeah, you.
Yeah.
I want girl baby may I get in.
You?
Yeah, man, girl baby may I get, man. One nice little dark complexion girl, man.
So, what baby on here?
Baby, a Richisha, man.
Richisha?
Richisha, yeah, man. Because I say father name Riches and so. Daughter, Richisha.
Mad.
Yeah, man.
So, which part of your baby mother come from?
Right up in the lane up here, man. Right at Gulf Lane, man.
Gulf Lane.
Mm-hmm.
If be a girl breathe in that lane, the hell. Girl, I ain't there bad as on bro. Believe me.
No, man. I watch her. You see the girl them up there bad as. You know, say my one and bad as. You see how me dealt with her and how me spend on her. Yo, she have to rate me, bro. She not go around me, dog.
Bro, believe me, a whole heap of girl me know.
Yo, right now, anytime my baby forward for Alan, you know. Me I tell her say, you know, I want X10, me I give my woman, you know. You know about X10?
I never hear about that one.
But me I tell her, cause when the baby I drop them out, come on. So me I tell her, say I want X10, me I give her for drive.
Well, you must know, you know, me dog. So everything good different.
Yeah, man, I'm telling you, man, everything good, man. I line me out, me I go back go talk, man, you see it?
You're right. I want to buy a taxi, me there, I wait for to get some lunch, dog.
I buy one bike one at a time, you see it? Give me top tech bike taxi, dog. Rich.
You want some, I can't ride bike, dog.
I'll take you.
Alright. Yo!
So Kayla,
Yes, ma'am.
no, fun and joke aside, you know, I want to talk to you about something this morning and it's serious. Because I bother me one night last night, me not sleep. Tell me about the two man them where you say are your baby daddy them.
Well, you know, TIBBY. TIBBY slim and maga. And he love him. And he
Mr. Marie Marga.
What them now?
Okay.
When he eat, he put on a little weight. When
Oh,
he eat,
okay.
he suck out.
Are you sister? Alright.
Yes. I'm a little straw.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and he treat me good. Riches have the money, can buy me KFC and he belly big and come like a nice, comfortable teddy bear. Me love me too, baby daddy them.
So wait. You can buy your KFC and got money?
And money buy KFC.
Me asleep, me wake up myself. Me wake up, me sit down good. You got money can buy a KFC and got money?
Yeah.
So a KFC baby you carry?
Me not carry KFC, baby. You just buy me them things then. The other one now, but a TIBBY, you just feed me by mackerel. And rice.
Oh, Jesus.
Yes, but me love it two of them.
Mackerel and rice. Okay, alright. So you love it two of them, alright. So TIBBY are the maga skinny one, the bony one. Him put on weight when he eat food, alright. If he eat food, mackerel and rice are food. Okay, alright. So him brown and Rich is black. Right? So what if the baby born brown?
You go look like TIBBY.
And suppose the baby born black.
You look like me, you see me black skin, me I dark skin, you see that?
Oh, so if the baby born brown, you look like TIBBY. But if
You
you
see
born
the baby
black,
born brown,
you look like a you.
if the baby born brown,
So now
right?
you and a Rich is the baby, you look like a you.
Yeah.
Oh.
Mommy, when the baby born, right?
Mm-hmm.
I think come out brown.
Mm-hmm.
Me go know say I know for Rich's baby.
Come do one background check on my maga one name TIBBY. You know got nobody black in a film family, not even one.
I can't be the
Everybody
first.
in our family have high color.
No, I can't be the first. Me black, what if the baby come and get my
You can't be
color?
the first to give one black baby.
Yes. You just say me black.
You know, so I'm not sure if me I use my common sense or capital sense this morning.
No use none of them.
I that me feel say me nothing do. Go look, sit and drink and cool down myself because it's sun hot. That me figure do. And come out of your business because you must know what you are do.
Me love the two of them. I told them go and mind the picnic together.
Two of them are really picking together. So when time Rich is find out say are the brown one.
He not gonna find
I brown
out.
and find out say
He not
are Rich
gonna
is
find
picking.
out.
Why
Maybe I do this for much years now. Them not gonna find out.
so how you plan to do it? A shift?
Yes. Me tell you, me go tell one of them say the baby a born the 31st, right?
Okay.
And tell one say a born the 29.
Oh, so my grandfather go have two baby father and two different birthday.
Yes.
If I never want to me cuss bad, you know what?
You go write them on my phone. So remember them.
So where you go tell the baby say a fee birthday when he born? No one gonna be baby rightful birthday if one of father say 29 and one
The baby don't even know that when the baby get big, we cross that bridge there. When the time they come, we cross. We not think about that now. One step at a time. You have to think about the future too much.
Me crocodile here, look at. Me in our house, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, me inside. No find something inside and do.
You say if I ever say worry about the wrong thing them. At least my pitney have two father, me not have none. Wonder my baby father do I know. Go over there. Oh God.
Yes, everything is going good out there.
Yeah, father, this is sitting here, man, here to talk to you. Come here and say, yeah, this money, you know, put on here, dog. When I back with them, put on here, dog.
Yo, you know, say the other day, one little idiot carpenter come here, dog. Come here, tell the man, say, me have free out to come on, drop one door, yeah, so. You see me, so. Because idiot, I don't know when you put on that for you, so that's why I'm link you. I know you're professional, so I deal with this in the right way.
Bro, I back with your door with a lock. You see, entire door for lock. I saw you lock and lock from the window. No door.
But yo, me not too matter nothing, dog. If money fi spend, me not too matter about money, dog. Me just spend money. Me spend money daily, you know, so. Me not too worry about it, but.
That may I say still, but since that alone, bro, money even charge for this, you know, this is not real work, dog.
Nah, man, I know me give a thing said you, man. Pay back your fare or something, or buy lunch or something. Because I say, you know me still. Because right now, I something brand new, I just buy for me out, you know, for my daughter, you know. Yeah, man, I'm brand new bad pan, man. Right now, you see that one, the one here, at 23,000 feet, 500, 23,500. Yeah, because the day I go with my baby mother, you know. I mean, I know I want to her mother, you know, because I leave when you know I say that her mother, you know.
Yeah.
And your mother can go on like you want to come size, you know. And I can tell me, say, I sponge me carry up there. If I buy a bubble bar to that day for 7,500. Your mother will go on like you can size them. I size me, I go size her up and I want to make sure know some money in a little bit. 23,500 feet. Believe me, I'm in a ball for discount. I'm in a ball for nothing. I'm ball to me.
Yeah,
when me I spend money, me just spend money.
Active.
You know me rate you. I always deal with me like a real G.
Then you know me dinner, man.
Fall on the show. Brand new, me buy them thing here. You know, I do it talking. Watch her.
Oh yeah.
See that, man? Brand new watch, man.
Oh no, yeah.
Believe me, man.
Hold on, let me try it. Kid. Oh, you know my size? Oh, you know my size?
I feel that, man. I want to, man. I know say 1, 2, 3, man.
Father. First, I saw them watch a comfortable man. Which brand this?
Yo, you see that one there? On a Rolex. Them.
Rolex?
Yeah, man. When I time when I go up Panama, I buy it. You see the watch up, can buy a market or something. Believe me.
Yo, you don't even know what you do for me.
I'm all sick, man.
Believe me, bro. I know some yeah, man. Yes, I go up and get with one girl tonight, but.
You can't bounce the watch, man.
Bro, if you get good there, see this girl good there, feel that me are rich like you too. I mean, say me, no chop.
Sometimes, I watch it.
Yeah.
Sometimes I can't learn a beast them in the dark. Yeah, I say, you know, we not to talk up still. You see it?
Watch it, you carry in good, man. I like the red one, the red one, tough to know.
Yeah, man, the Lexus there, yeah, man, a long time I have you know.
I'm telling you, see, from thing now, me is not a man where use money and catch girl. You see, true, a construction me do.
You know, some I use money and catch them. I just the money they say and they catch them.
I understand, but watch out now. I don't want to say really and truly. Like I was told, this and I really nothing to do with. I would jump off and go back on this and then I walk do the car. 3 hours around 300 blocks. Yo, I want to show you man chief. You know what I'm no one I walk on the house. The man not get no labor.
Well, that surely.
Yeah.
You know, say that day me have to size up on my friend them too.
Oh.
Yeah, man, last night I go to one party, man, I want to look for you. Size them up, man,
Yeah, so them boy I cap at man.
yeah, man, I have to size them up, man. You know, so when I go on the road, I don't drink white rum, anything I drink, you know.
Man, white rum have to chase him.
Right. I like white rum.
Yeah,
true.
Yo, I'll go back, right? I'm tell a dog, I'm
not free, man.
Yeah.
They are one.
I charge you one month too. You go.
That's your word.
Yeah.
8 grand. Plus 10 grand. Plus 5 grand. Plus 3 grand.
Yeah.
Yes, Kayla.
How do you make a son so?
Kinda stressed out. I feel like me not do enough for my son, you know. And it has stressed me. I feel like me need to get a new, different job or do something else where can make money go in my pocket fast and enough.
Maybe no worry yourself, you do
Look
enough.
Find myself, yeah. This is what me have, you know. This are a few things them, you know, me fi say, you know. This are a few things them. And plus me not have nowhere near this. So.
B, don't worry about that. Don't worry about that.
What do you mean me
Things
not
soon
worry about that?
alright. God, God bless you. Just stop fret. Just leave it in a God's hands.
By the time
Yeah,
you
worry
quint,
yourself
you
too
know,
much.
you see by the time you quint, that the baby they born, you know.
So, everything, we're gonna get everything by then.
I just pampas alone the baby go born, can have.
No worry yourself, the baby gonna have the others of things. My family member them don't give me things and something. Not too worry yourself about them, there's something. Me don't even pressure you like a dad, so don't worry yourself.
You don't go pressure me now until the baby born.
No. Listen to me. If you say me that fret and like them the things they're important, you know, but me I get help otherwise, you know, if you fret about that.
Me have to fret because I'm first youth. So me have to think about the dog and fret about him. When
No,
want
my
me,
baby no dog, this is none of your friend them.
well, me have to think about my son.
Your son I go alright and you go be a wonderful father.
Of course I am.
I
But
tell you, but you have fret about them, something they can fretting now, help you to do, you might fret and stress out yourself.
Kayla, you see them money over there, so look here. You see them the amount of money there.
Yes, me I see the
get
money.
so much money from.
Time, you just work, as I say. You say you think if you go find one different job, you can't get one other job.
From the belly reach 1 month, you know, until I said it, you go look at work, you know.
Me can't work, me supposed to rest.
No, when the baby did reach, when the belly did reach 1 month, until I say go look at work so you can save up your money. One side, so we don't feel fret, you know.
But we not fret, me not fret, and you are fret, me not fret.
Well, me have to fret.
Me not fretting.
My son no fi born can grow like how me used to grow.
That will never happen. Things are go alright. Me just me walk over and say me I come get a check as me I stretch out my foot, me I exercise and so me say me walk on get a leave. You over here stress out yourself. Stop stress out yourself, man. Everything I go alright.
Then me no must stress. If me out soon born, 2 more months for now.
And if you're stressed, that I go solve the problem, no.
Me a worry, you know, because woman are wicked, you know, when pitney born, you know, uno of them a courthouse, you know, uno and the father.
The
You know.
only way, remember say you go in the picnic life. And the two of we do this together.
But when me can help, what you gonna do?
See to me, it's called a relationship for a reason. 50-50. You have my back, me have your back. As long as you gonna love your child,
Of course, me have to love my child.
you don't have to worry about nothing then. And me love you. Yeah, my heartbeat.
Kayla, let me tell you this. Mouth said crossway if say anything. Me not sit down and listen to you.
You
know.
see, if your mouth said crossway, my mouth said crossway. You said long way.
You see when baby born, a different thing, you know, a different cup of soup a boil, you know.
Yeah. Me walk come over here because me don't call you know, because you don't call me from morning, if you say me didn't call you, because I don't have credit. You don't call me from morning, so me walk on check for you. And me head hurt me. All of this are back and forth, and me I try to tell you, say, stop where you say about them, there's something there. Once me say everything I go alright, everything I go alright, just laugh at about them, there's something there.
Go and go make some tea drink.
Me don't need no tea to drink, me say go walk out.
Probably a gas you have.
And maybe you go have gas, I have the gas for me I catch, because I just think about unnecessary things right now.
Brother, I mean, I must have to think about them something there. The face them want me think me youth come born and suffer like me. If father done suffer, his son for suffer. I sin that youth for make a baby born, brother, and I suffer.
Riches.
Yeah, me mother.
Yeah. You can come here now.
Well, go on, baby.
Me there.
You know, so I'm tired to tell you something I like when you walk and look for me. If you come look for me, you call me. And let me call a taxi for you, baby. Why you walk and appreciate
No, exercise, me that exercise.
and your foot swell.
No, me that exercise. Let the foot stay.
Baby, you know, say, when you want exercise, you call me. And
No.
just come up in your yard and my water, baby, head and we exercise. What I'm telling you?
Don't worry about that exercise. Later with that exercise. Me have to walk, stretch my legs. Say,
Anyways,
baby, not baby come later.
you know what I have for you?
After me.
I have something nice, so I know you're going to love. Because you know, say, other day, your granny, you're going like you want to size me up. I can't tell me about, say, the little bubble bath and I buy a foolishness. I'm going to pay 7,500 feet. So right now, I buy one brand new other one.
Be.
And the one is bigger. Listen to me, say, baby. The one are bigger and the one are 23,500. I never beg no discount. Me just pay for it because you know I'm riches.
Oh.
So me I make your granny know say me think tougher road, mother road, God road.
Me excited say you buy
Later, baby.
one proper detachable bar, yes.
Big old a bubble bar, this one a big. So you know if you pull
And
it.
you said like you buy come over.
No, the one are more better. The one you can press pan it and you catch water at night. You don't have to go up pipe to catch water at night. And the one you can press it and leak out the water. The one is more expensive.
Okay. Thank you very much.
So when you go up here, they pull it and show your granny and make you know say riches get your big
Yes,
fan.
let me talk now. I know my granny, you cannot be so disrespectful to my mother.
I know.
So why you say my granny and I know my granny is my mother?
So other day I come up here and she try size me, say anything.
She not try size you, she just never know see how you, she never know you.
But she feel know say me baby. Oh you have a baby father and you know say him.
Remember say ever busy.
But you don't show her pictures?
No, me not really like show my mother my man them.
Your man them?
Anybody who me that talk to before you.
Hey baby, don't ramp with me now baby. You're gonna get me crazy, don't do that.
No, me not do nothing big. Don't worry yourself. Just thank you for the bath, thank you for your body bath.
Later,
Yes, I mean like the color for everything, yeah?
I mean I collect our money, so later.
Yes, and you can buy more KFC.
100,000 I send in the account. Anything you want buy, you buy. Yes.
Oh God, that's how me I feel love you.
Next time baby, I'm saying baby, I know why you hurt the baby.
Yes, when I hurt the baby,
I
alright.
can't wait to meet you baby girl.
Yes.
Oh my God. When you say I do date again?
The 23.
23?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I'm write it down with a pen.
Yes.
Write it on my phone, 23.
Alright. But don't worry yourself, me go start walking and one go before like you will come down.
Alright, hurry up here.
Yeah, bye bye. Yes,
I know so they tell I show that you one of them car days so my baby reach 6 months. I buy my bike. If any reach 1 year, I give him a car.
No. Yeah, move too far. Slow down.
Be a man.
I must want to walk and you mean.
No man, me wait. I must be rich, you know, so me pick me up to come and rich, you know.
But he go too young.
Babe, later.
Alright,
Later. Oh, so I think mother. I'm to be a mother. Who does that?
I think I'll bust up the board and I'm that's a board of more. Cha. Watcha. How are that? Come on, man. What are you dealing with?
Me there, you good?
I walk with big heavy load again, man.
No man, I don't even know it's that heavy.
Alright.
Yeah, me alright. You alright already, Asadu?
You know, I want to look out my day upon that boy house, but me I take long time and pay me good. What you dealing with? You get belly and something, man. Be a cocomelon and waterhead.
Yeah.
That's why, father.
That baby like you don't know already. You know already.
I don't know nothing, you know. Nothing I don't know, but still, the whole woman, I see her breed up in a fair lane, because since you are there, baby, my dog, I see her go up there, so then your baby mother's up there, something. How I do? What I want to plan for breed one time?
No, me never plan for breed. I breed in season now.
Yeah.
I will not catch belly a bat.
And that, me kind of realize.
Yes.
It's a baby father when good and sitting there, you know.
You must treat me for that good.
Yeah.
You know, like me, I treat him good.
Yeah, sir. But say you need body in the idea, you know. You cut them style of thing.
So man, that was back then. You behave like you know who.
I was. Construction, you don't know.
Well, I was one. Not anymore. I changed my life along. And you know that. You don't know what you behave so.
I don't know nothing about you, know, but yo, pick up yourself. If you're talking now, go pay me. Alright?
Okay.
Alright.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, Neil.
Come here.
Kayla,
Yeah.
how are this? Can I heavy
Bad
jump?
set.
Can I heavy jump on this and they walk with?
I don't jump on a bad set.
Who give your bad set?
My baby daddies.
Your baby daddy's give your bad set.
Yeah.
So you're gonna feed two of them and get gifts.
Yes. Yeah, me get gifts.
So which one of them give you this, sir? The brown one, you know, no sense.
No. Riches give it to me.
Oh, the black one.
Yes.
So I'm gonna kill no sense.
Mommy, never know at first. You have to see with him. Remember, say first time I get pitney, you know?
So if I get pity, so you don't know what to buy.
Mm-mm.
Oh, anyway,
Like
we overlook
you
that.
know.
This nice.
Yeah.
This nice. Everything in it.
Everything in there can't look in it.
The peep in there, but me not put the sitting before you. The peep in there.
Yeah.
Me not put the sitting before you. When you're ready, you pull it. And I'm trying to use it, so me know. Anything you pull in, me see. Yes, I want me now.
Not tired, just they are tired.
So now give you no money, I just so bad to think you.
Yeah, since you don't send me money in my account.
Oh, so about the maga brown one, you know give you nothing?
No, you know no money I know. You ever hear that stress over things and so.
You ever had that stress over things?
Yeah.
So you know say you go come to the point you over here that stress over things when you're asking for one drinks or one bag juice and you tell us say him want him more than you.
You know, tell
I
me
should have come out and come back so try and see them. You want him more than him because you're the baby and him alone.
Mama, if you understand, whenever I have it,
Mm-hmm.
he will give it to me. He don't have it at the moment.
You love him bad though.
Yes, me love the two of them.
Oh, so Kayla, when the things I go come down to one point, I want to keep it where you have go just tell it to them.
No, mommy, me not think so.
Okay, so when the baby born and start grow, can now stay growing in there and go grow. You don't know, so when this bus out, I go ahead and pull out. So anything you should have tell them.
When the baby reaches, so mommy, you can't manage business sometimes.
No, for your business is my business. You're
No.
my child and that is my grandchild.
No.
Me have the right to act up in my life.
My business is not your business. You can't manage business sometimes, man, and talk about me and my lifestyle.
No.
You watch your lifestyle?
No, me not have no lifestyle. You have to my lifestyle. You not live good.
No, man. It's
You're not going good.
like every day just come about me. And that's why I never want to introduce you to them, and that's why I never did want
Kayla,
to know you.
at some point in time, you would have to know your baby father. You can't live in the hospital unless the baby register. And at 2 baby father you have. So which one of them you go register baby name in?
Don't worry yourself about that. When I read just on my cross.
You put the 2 of them name Panny?
Yes.
First and last name?
Yes.
Okay,
And I hear what the baby name already. The baby name Riches.
Alright. Okay, baby name Riches.
Yes, he name after the one by the boss.
So when the baby born you start go through hell and powder house. I hope you remember say save if you mind me own a business.
Yes, do that now.
Alright, I make your mind feel own a business.
Mommy,
Alright, Kayla.
let's see me go on. Me can't take it off.
Yes, go on in.
Fast straight.
Because frustrate you all the while, I'm not going to tap. Because I don't think this right, you know. As a parent, concerned parent, I don't think this is right. For this is not sound good and not good. I don't like it. But you have 2 baby father. And you don't know why your baby are going to name man now. I told him you put my birth certificate. You could have fooled me. You know everything. Alright, so you know more than me, miss. Go on. Go on.
My last day, sir. Baby. Baby, mother. I love you.
Hello, how are you for?
What you mean by where me from? My baby mother me come to.
Which baby mother you come to?
What you mean which baby mother me come to? Now your daughter me come to.
Yeah, baby
You're going like
mother
you know say me breed a daughter.
Oh.
What you mean oh?
When? When?
You know say you come like you're going like you want to size me. Every time you come here going like you want to size me, you know. Old woman.
Yeah,
Every
me know
time you
say
come
me
here going
old.
like you want to style me.
Yeah, me know something old enough to remind me. You never soak no oats because you not got no milk.
Look for me good. Remember me not take man in a woman me take you know.
You never
So
soak
don't
no
go on
oats.
like you feel like me a take none of your man them you know.
You never soak no oats because you not got no milk. A sort of sugar you got. Kayla! Kayla!
You come like some old crap.
Come here!
Time man come here feeling chatting with me.
One big box.
You know some man carry new bad pan come here 23,500.
Oh, stop nice. One big you no hot.
The whole man just stop the knife.
You only big you no hot. Come like a sweet pepper, you only big you no hot.
Can't be mommy, we can't be so.
Your rubbish bin come to you and go disrespect me.
You hear them some of the
garbage bin.
Me come here to talk to my baby mother. And your granny a come go on like she want to style me.
That
Eh?
disrespect my
Tell your
mother.
granny to no ramp with me you know. Cause remember me rich you know.
I know me granny and me mother stop me
Or your mama or whatever.
Hold on, Kayla, hold on. I don't want to express my grandchild. What you say about that? I think you make you look like a barrier car we pack up there so you all wagon.
A normal pre man. Take me drive
Mommy,
the wagon.
me I beg you. Food.
And I can't talk about me now soak no oats.
Let me go on.
But she a try for
Let me
me.
go
Now
on.
I mean breed me up. Hey.
You not soak no oats. Cause you not got no milk. You not keep have
Please.
sugar.
Please, me I beg you. When you can't live good.
Sure.
Oh, me not do nothing. Every time I come
No,
in,
no.
Every time you come like a gang banger.
When you can't live good
We
for the
church
baby.
tell you
You
find
can't
that
live
all
for the
clothes.
baby because
Rugged
that's not do
looking.
it for
Because
me.
man rugged looking but he ain't got money. Me care what kind of money he got.
Mommy, just keep your opinion to yourself.
Come like a gang banger.
yeah, well,
You come out here where make you up, make you
See
come
money
out of
me
me
say.
yard.
So you not text me and tell me say you receive it.
No, the Wi-Fi now work. I sleep my mind.
Yeah, I like how you ramp with me, man. I come to come check on you and check on me, you okay? You know, sometimes I like come and talk to me. Hello, how are you doing? You wake up? That's my baby girl.
Oh. Mommy!
Yes!
Mommy! Mommy! I'm a mother. Mommy, how
I don't know, guys. You're a big boy.
Yeah, man, everything good, man. Baby, me text you here. That's why your mother go on, so come and take you up, boy.
Yeah.
All fat.
Yes, all fat like a yo, all dirty fridge. You come like a fridge. Yo, that's why no fun to get jacket, you know.
So look alive.
That's why no fun to get jacket.
Oh.
And vest, you forget all vest with it.
Show me him, say BM's.
Oh, my mother man. Mother man.
They are one day, you know.
No, mommy tell him about your man.
Yeah, I wonder what you wonder about.
Problem.
You live here?
Are you man?
Well, on, you live here, dogs, no question, me and size. You live here?
Are you may come to you?
Exactly, no, me you come
Mommy, go
to.
on. If you feel like you wake up on the right side of the bed this man. You just say,
You're right, I right at that bed. Yes.
Yeah, man, go on in old fridge.
Kayla, take your mother, man.
Kayla, so let's go on and now.
Mommy, stop it. You...
Let me go on. Let me go on in. Me always have to go in.
Yes.
Let me go on.
So, why you come in and tell me say you come?
So, me can't pop up.
You can't pop up, man, but you just pop up so soon. You don't even make a little tea or something.
Kayla, I know every time me come in your yard, me supposed to tell her.
Remember, say me and my mother live here. And look how my mother and him and dark house. So,
Macaroni. A macaroni or spaghetti or linguine, your name. Macaroni or spaghetti.
Talk to your mother, you know.
A linguine, your name.
I mean, no one, this
is you're supposed to call when you have a picture.
to her.
Mommy, you come for the cousin spirit this
Me no
morning?
come to her.
I don't know because it's no linguine. A macaroni or spaghetti.
No, Pierre, man, like she didn't know a good mood. She not a man of problem.
Like him and no give him nothing.
Yes, like her that.
So,
But as me I said, that's why you have to tell me when you come. You can just pop up so next time.
well, me never know. You just make me know that. So next time me forward me call her and me text her before me come.
Come by the veranda.
Yeah, man. Tired to stand up. You know how far me I walk from.
You come out on the space and make you go on with it.
No, man, going so old foul.
You cannot call mother old fool.
No, let me answer him, Kayla. Let me answer him. You look like a nanny goat.
You see?
You look like a nanny goat and the people say, you look up them, spin their finger when you look lamp, you dolly house. Look, let me answer him.
Remember say a big woman, mommy, you cannot
Make
argue
your
with
mother go on.
That one could strike your head dirty like.
Go on in old foul.
Yeah,
and you still like argue with the woman and you say you're big man and me attack you now.
Man, no, big man.
She not argue with me too.
The PR no man, you say she can't.
Kayla, big man, boy. Make you all come up on the veranda too.
Say one much.
Or if I'm come out.
You know what, you better go on home.
The mother
Please.
Yeah, front of the
You know,
power.
You think me have to stay up on your van
Come
now?
on,
Yeah.
Alright, come on.
Yeah,
You
yes,
think me have to
sir.
come back
Front, they make him come up.
here? You think one matches stick?
Your front, come on from the front.
Mother like.
Watch your money, you cannot.
Another, come push me.
Come on.
Box on your
Go on.
If you're bad, push me.
I used to get jacket and vest too. You with tie.
Mommy! Hello, mommy want to talk to you.
I want to talk to you too. Come. Come man, come. Come, nobody run man. Tell the baby father them to come too. I want to talk to you.
Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
me not like your style.
What style I like? Me have style?
Your style.
Me not have style, me have class.
Mommy, the people, first, are you and Rich is out there, because in come out there and argue with him.
Yes.
When you look, TIBBY come here, they argue with TIBBY, and you drop some, we say they say some things, you know, but that side people get jacket. Like say you want to tell them, say, them a get jacket.
Me if you tell them, me wait till if you go in and I mind your business and if you mind my own business. Eh?
Mommy never see if you tell me,
Look
look
here.
at that, yeah, do.
Wait, on top of
I
that.
do not
guess what?
like it. You can't mind your business. See
Look
me
here.
lifestyle and leave it alone,
Me don't want
man.
you to kin out and turn up in front of me neither. Turn up and talk to me if you talk to me. Yes, I'm your mother. Me have a problem because
You know,
your rich is big gut man when belly full of shit. Come here, come style me in my yard. So me have to disrespect
My
him.
style, you say, mommy.
You come in and chat off him out, you never hear him.
No, a year amount alone me here.
Good. Ask him and he will tell you why and tell me. Say.
But you can't
Come in away
change.
so me tell no lie upon him.
You can't change.
Your baby father them. Then the next spaghetti one come here, string bean one.
And he never say nothing bad.
And you go tell you no, he come back and call me old man in front of you and I say nothing to him. And me I want to say something to him. After you turn up, and me beg so that too, you know. Me beg so that you go turn up and tell him, oh, I'm a mother man. Me not like them kind of young
The
boy.
two
they
of
are
them
tough.
come.
Yes.
You can't, if I didn't mean, would that help you?
It's not a situation. It's a past situation. You understand? Because you, a liberty, come to carelessness. Cause you go tell the little young boy, say, I'm a mother man. So Kayla, you take your mother man now?
You know, say that's not the case. You know, every time I do
No,
that.
so me fi back up you after you run me how much time and tell me if you mind my own business.
Because you say some unnecessary things where you don't have to say. Listen to
What
me.
is so unnecessary about what I
Mommy,
say?
see me
No,
last
answer me.
time-
What is so unnecessary about what me say? What unnecessary about what me say?
And that's why I not get jacket.
Yes, me never tell you so don't come into this. No, me never tell you. So
And you will push it towards it like you want to tell them.
Alright, Kayla. So guess what?
Yeah, my mother just... Mommy, you say young people business, leave young people business alone.
Yes, me know. That's why you feel left me alone. You know, man them come here, deal with two of them one time. Cause you did that take them and me never follow you go when you there take it two of them. No tell no lie upon me about how you and my mother man that. Because you go mash up my street credit when my big man them hear all this. Yes, I go mash up my reputation.
I feel like say true. When you're a big man, they must know you know money make you come this man.
And my money a problem, my grandpity where you're dragging their nastiness. And that's my problem. My unborn grandchild where you're dragging
don't
their
worry about
nastiness.
my pitney well alright. My pitney have a father. Don't worry yourself.
My unborn grandchild, they're dragging their nastiness. I don't like your nastiness. So I come out here and hold my space again before you have to tell me if I go hold my space in my own house.
So I don't know why you have enough of yourself in my business. You see my baby quiet, alright, he have a father and not you worry about.
You have a father,
Yes.
Yes, but you know the father.
Me know who is the father, don't get it wrong. Me know who is my baby daddy.
Oh.
Oh, but I think me don't know.
Me go call Jerry Spring and show for you. Me go call Jerry Spring and show for you.
Mommy, just go on.
I hope when you go and the result come up, you are not the father. For the two of them, you know the baby father.
Mommy, just go on and just leave
Let
it.
me go and put the band with father. You will hear what clock a strike. You will hear what still out for business. I want no from one or no.
No, man.
You're nice and it's pile up. Tall so. You're nice and it's pile up.
Mommy, give me a break. Give me a break. Ease me up, man. Ease up off of me, man.
Right.
Man, I left him cigarette them with me.
No girl feel like they can't style me. And so me I tell them.
Yo,
I pray.
where I dealt with? I want you.
Yo, I am there, you know that.
Yeah.
Yo, yeah. No, brother, I'm not too good there, yo.
Oh, you don't want to fast.
Right now, frost me in the dog. All of them, my friend, me I tell you the truth, you frost me in the dog.
What make us so?
You know, say up on my baby mother yard, me I come from, dog.
What happened now, Riches? What happened now?
You know, say me up my dog and the mother going like he want to come size me up. You know, I bun me most too. When me I left the yard, she come tell me about, and that's why me get jacket. What she mean by that's why me get jacket? I know tell me about me now swell up my belly and something, eh? And me swell up my baby mother belly.
Riches. I tell you already, you know, man. Every girl from the lane that crosses, you know. Every girl from the lane that crosses, remember, so me
but me tell you some my one different, that the mother not like me and just talk things, you would.
You believe so?
What you mean?
Well, me not believe so, you know, dog. I'm sure you pray, dog. You see, I'm telling you. Me not leave me one girl in the lane there, me not told you, you know. I mean, I'm mad, you know. But me realize, say, girl, sneaky. You see me? But how he sneaky? I'm doing things them, but I use protection. Text, I go in my phone. Read out the text them. I'm gonna say, one link up. So me have to get mad on him, dog. And cut him off. But here I go on. But I have a couple of times, well, dog. So me I tell her, say, me know, say, you girl them in the lane there.
But you know what really I go on? Me see one brown youth over there too, you know. But me I left, you know, me see one brown youth, you know. A father over there too, you know. You see me? And he might tell me, say, I'm mother man, you know.
So you feel like, say, your mother come, so your mother upset and when you left, because you cut back him.
I'm mother man come over there, man.
So I mean, I say,
Because mother come like him a take young boy. That's why he see me and go on like me and him and say. You know, so me feel like your mother want me. Might be mother want me bust off in her belly. But you know, so me not do it. I rate my baby mother.
Can't do it,
and my daughter fall, you know.
So yo, what you saying there? What you be mad at? Come in every girl in the lane there, no?
Brother, you know Kayla. Kayla, my baby mother, you are going like you know Kayla, brother. You know Kayla. If you say you know everybody in the lane, you know Kayla.
Kayla?
Yeah.
No, sir.
You know her? So now you say you know a girl in the lane.
Our girl having here kind of in slim but in belly big now.
Right.
No, sir,
Dark complexion, you.
No, sir. Kayla, what me I think about brown me dog. Matter of fact, me Kayla she all name.
Well, you know good. I'm glad you don't know her. Because that's why I tell you some my woman different. But yo, darkness me depend right now still. So I normal pray. See, because you see all the brown boy that to me even to trust him to, you know, dog. Come like a some alien dog. Yo.
But hey dogs, Kayla and baby mother. Hold on, that means if I'm waiting to have what you done so. I said thing Kayla walk with what you want to see and then Jesus. I'm come tell the man say Kayla how wicked. Every man them say, Kayla wicked. Every girlfriend the alien they are wicked. I see it.
Yo, through that woman that hell that, you know, should even know, say, yo, me will thump her, you know. Yo, where are you with?
Hold on. What happened? No tell me say I want baby mother yard ya come from.
I'm a baby mother yard me a come from.
And you and him mother in an argument.
How you know that? You're a prophet. How you so spiritual? How you know that? Yo, me say me di, yo.
No, dog. That happened for you.
That happened, brother. Me say me go up there, me and my baby mother chat and me didn't even know if the class he mother's coming.
Tell her, you don't have to tell me. I know his story already. Let me ask you a question. I know that lane your baby mother live, not true?
Right up there, so.
Kayla, you say your baby mother, not true?
Kayla.
Jesus Christ.
Slim and dark complexion.
Jesus Christ, I don't know her, but bro, you know, say I dream a while ago and feel like say you're past dog and the Holy Spirit just tell me stand up and wait for you. Let me give you one word of advice. We come down straight from the big man himself. You see, woman are wicked. And sometimes dog, woman do things. Woman hurt people. I mean, I don't know why I tell her this, maybe. I know me fear tell her this dog, but TIBBY.
Bro, where I try to say, my woman are wicked. My baby mother are wicked.
TIBBY, if you know me know right now, bro, you put your foot them in your hand and you run. So you left that place, you left that lane and you left. Watch out. Me I chat too much, dog. It's just a dream me get. Everything me see I fold me right now.
Come like you're high, bro. Cause see a light in your hand, and no spliff in your hand.
No, man, bro, you know, if you tell the truth, I go to high me high. Watch out, you know, say I want my co-worker left in cigarette with me, dog, and through me I smell you, you know me I not smoke a dog. So I like get to me, man. But yo, big up yourself, bro.
Big up, man.
You know, go back up there for now.
Boy, me even sure in a dog.
No go back, man, no go back.
I mean, me not to go back.
Me I say cool on yourself.
You think me afraid of her mother?
See a craving.
Yo, me not smoke bad, man. Me good, brother.
I don't know if you did, because I never go up a Kayla. Yeah, my two friends them take the idiot, so that. Two friends them. Answer. Kayla!
Yes.
Kayla!
Why make everybody come on me yard today?
Kayla, please come here.
Where you want?
Please come here, no my youth. Come here, no man.
Oh, sir. Come let me shit in a church yard.
Why you don't want it more than that?
What happened?
Let me ask you a question. I don't lie to me.
Ask.
You remember the agreement?
I want happened with you.
Alright, me just glad see you remember. You know TIBBY?
No, I don't know nobody named him.
Alright. You know Riches?
I don't know nobody named Riches.
You don't know what TIBBY and you don't know Riches. You don't know Riches with the big belly will look like
And what if me know them?
You don't know Brown TIBBY, Marga TIBBY.
And what if me know them? What if me know them?
You them are my friend them.
So,
And
what have you do with me?
every minute them pass me, it's, me get to realize say, hold on. You know what's up? What year? I done a Riches yard. I build up one door for you and sitting. And you have to show me one bad pan when I buy for 23,000.
Yes.
I hit me see you walk past with.
And what if I hit?
No, me just ask you. Me just ask you. And then Riches and me dog. Riches ask me for your house for the mine in baby mother, you know. And just a while ago, two dogs them pass me. I tell him, say, in an argument with your mother. And me don't know if me.
So, where you come back for?
Kayla, me just ask if you know that. Me just ask if I two of them. Yeah, deal with. Me just want to know that.
Me and them ain't nothing, man.
You can't tell me that. Me not born back on one stone. Me not drop from out on one cow.
Davi, today have been a very hectic day. I don't really want to answer nothing I know what I go see what I know to say. Check back when my head start hurt me.
Kayla, just answer my question. I and the two of them and do this or no.
Me not tell you nothing. The two of them give me something. But the problem, you are provide nothing.
No, you remember the agreement, right? That's all I'm going to ask you. Kayla, me tell you this, you know. The two of you, them are my friend them, you know. Two of you, them are my friend them. I'm not keep no secret from nobody. Worst things like this. You see, if you then come to me, what bleed out nobody business, but this are too big.
You know, say come like me, mama.
How?
Well, no man no business about people lifestyle. The town of son watch my business for no business that spoil. When I get yourself a better job, huh?
Yeah.
No, sir.
Kayla, all me say is, if you tell you them the truth, that's all me I say to you. Cause watch out. You want me, you know? And them don't tell me say, Mama tell him say look like him and get jacket and I say, I pray things already. And you remember with agreement, Kayla, that's all me I say to you, you know.
And this they come in yard for?
Yeah, but tell them yes or no, that's all me want.
Me not tell nobody nothing. That not concern you. I know your business and my business and my life. Me do what I want to do with my life.
Concern me, you know say concern me. You know what? Come on, here for reveal things, you know. So I'm insecure.
Yeah, like a be a cross is that come here today. No man.
Babes! Baby mother! All crosses. Hello, where Kayla there? Where your daughter?
Chicken noodle. I'm here come to.
Me don't come to you, me come to your dad. Kayla!
I want some grandma's one to put on the weird.
Mattress stick where your daughter there.
Look here. Hold up and come out of me house.
It's a whole man here. Kayla!
Yes! My big commotion for.
How long me a call you? Where you did it?
Run about me there. But
Say like you me all like that.
me here but me a walk and come. What happened?
I come to tell you something. You see anything you want for your baby, or anything you want from me towards the baby or towards yourself, you call me and come meet me half if I call. Your mother don't have no manners or no respect. I don't want to lick her down, you know.
Scatter, licko, bitch.
You hear that?
Licko.
Me I can't calm down. He
Yeah.
not talk to
Tell him
you.
bad word, you know.
You hear that?
He not talk to me. Me talk to me.
Me not come back over here, you know.
Still tell me business.
I
But
said to them, me
Go
not
lick
come
your
back to your
mama.
yard.
Go lick your mama.
You hear my
Me
temper?
back to down flat ground, you know.
Mommy, what you have here going so?
You hear your
Oh,
mother?
who am I threatening? Who am I threatening?
He not training this and say now come back over here.
Cousin with what?
You hear your mother?
Oh, go on.
I might kick you in your gut.
Time to come over here and see this man and come up.
Full of bone like our boy from like.
All gone, babes, all gone.
You don't want to lick there.
Babes.
Mommy.
Tell me what you say.
Babes.
Slackness is when the road want to fix. Slackness
Aye,
is when
what
police are right there.
Yeah,
to
good.
get.
Babes. So
I'm a mother man.
Okay.
and I do my look pan.
I'm a mother man.
Me
Hold
a
on.
stepdaughter.
Hold on there. So now you're a man this.
You have to be man today, apparently.
Yeah, there.
Me and Kayla take you see a man then.
And then you're a man.
No. Or me a galang.
So hold on there. So how you're this one man?
Turn up right there, no move.
No, let me ask you a question. So babes, you not tell me say so you're this one man.
Alright, let me calm
Me
down.
left something like.
Hold on, man, no move. Let me calm down. Me I take him, and me I take you. So me and Kayla.
But me
take
ain't
this
in
one.
no relationship.
Could never take.
So me a this one you, and me a this one him too.
I don't understand what I go on here
You
so.
could never
Okay.
take. You know what to.
Let me mind go on a business.
What I go on here so?
Let me go mind me one a business.
Maybe
Me
your
just
mother.
something nice. I could have
Where you say a while ago?
My baby mother.
What you mean? Why not talk about being the mother?
No, my baby mother. Babes.
something nice. Something nice. Let me tell you the one now.
What I go on here so about babes?
No,
And my baby mother this one where I carry a girl baby for me, you know.
Liberty come to police.
I don't even know which baby in her belly. Come like.
Hey!
Me
That
go
sense, boy.
I'm your baby father. I'm your baby father.
You don't say a boy baby in that.
No, Kayla baby father. I'm me breed Kayla.
Me go on.
You know me? No going to
Kayla, explain all of this. Cause right now you come like it's
Kayla.
explain all of this before me get mad in it.
Why father?
Calm down yourself. Don't need to get mad in here.
Kayla, why father?
Let me tell you the truth.
Mm-hmm.
What me going in now?
Me drink water. I'm not business.
No. You is not the father.
Yeah, it's not the father. That me I try to show you. And my baby mother and you come up and start come go on like you're somebody. Come on! Come on! Janko, come on!
Calm down.
Calm down.
Move, man.
Yeah, yeah, like what?
You're deaf. Yeah, it's not the father.
You is not the
Yeah, it's not the father. You're deaf. One more you have here. Come on!
Alright.
Jump! Left, man.
So why father?
Talk to me, my
You
baby
is
mother.
not the father.
You
neither.
is not the father. What?
You is not the father.
So you try to tell me, say, I know me breeder.
No.
So you don't say I know him a the father, and then you tell me son I'm the father. So who are the father?
What's me?
No.
Alright.
How what kind of...
Me come closer. You is not the father. Me no and you breed me.
A
You don't
prank.
understand.
A prank that.
And
No,
you not the
eh.
father. You
Hey.
not understand.
So me ask you something. All of my money you may spend all along and buy 7,500 baht pan. And me spend 23,500 baht pan. And you tell me say na my baby?
No.
And the amount of money me give you 100,000 me send na my baby?
Oh, Kayla, I told me not have no money, me can't give me bun.
You can't provide and be a market.
But me a provide and you tell me say na my youth.
But down there so was not working.
Come on. Nobody know, man.
So what kind of baby that?
No, they say it's a boy bed, but I
See,
don't.
I feel me baby boy.
I know for you. You know, understand that baby is not for you.
Come here, man.
So you tell me lies, say I want girl baby and a boy baby you have.
Yes. Because I don't see you.
Everything good, man. A normal prayer. So that's why your mama did there can't talk about jacket. And that's why your mama did have it. That's it. Have a great man for not doing it to her.
Man, you are doing
everything good, man.
You're pregnant.
No.
Turn up. Make
You
it
see, you see, law deal with this, you know. Me not go in a no argument to the name. You see, every money I spend on this,
All of them.
I want it back. Me don't talk. Just know say by tomorrow police out there. Me don't chat.
Look here.
Police out there for my
Oh,
money.
you go there.
Don't talk.
Come
Oi,
on,
come
Biggs.
on,
Come on,
come.
Biggs.
Oi.
Come on. No, we
Come on, nobody run, man. Come and tell the friend to come to. Let me call Jerry Springer. Let me call Jerry Springer show. And let me call him and find out. Go on.
Come on the phone. Make you stay so.
Me call the Jerry Springer show. And the Murray show. You don't want to involve.
Me not like your style, no, mommy. Me not like your style. When I see the man come for tell the man tell me they running in a long conversation.
Which man will tell us in a day?
Man, TIBBY, come. We can never tell him that.
I hear nastiness. Me not involved in your nastiness. Me not stand up just in case any game I kick down one of them. That's why all
Hey, look what you know. Look how you mash up my life. Look how you just mash up my life. You just can't bother, man.
I should have my shoes. And my shoeless. Then I go for come out. You see who mash up.
Are you mash up my life? Come here, the all and I can't just see the man you hold your mouth.
You mash up my life. You mash up my life. What again?
No, sir, mommy. Mommy, listen to me. I tell you now. After today, stay out of my business.
And that's me I go do. But then get some backside leak.
No, sir, me can't bother, man. No, who go give me money now?
And you're nastiness that you feel no angry your bangles. Hold up your stress.
Chelsea,
Good
Wait,
evening. How are you?
why show me a watch, man?
You sure?
Yeah.
Are you ready to wash your mouth?
Me no go here watch your
I
show.
didn't do anything about Kayla.
What happened?
Kayla, I'm a two friend them, man. He told you then can't mind me picnic. And
Oh.
after this,
You are me and your picnic?
Oh.
Yes, like I said, you are me and your picnic?
we come to an agreement so that put it on somebody else. But and you can't put it for my friend them.
Me put it on people with money and sense and what?
Kayla.
Tipping on the money.
You know, on the dirty, you're nasty too.
Tipping on the
You're
money.
very nasty.
Matter of
What's wrong
fact,
with them, mommy?
What wrong with me? What wrong with you?
Kayla,
You know, say your pa drop up your head and me gonna market and not tell me. Your father drop it on your head and never tell me.
Mommy, on my life, if
Something
me
wrong
want
with
to take you tree friend, me can't take you tree friend them.
Kayla, stop that. Nobody know about this, but me feel like so me be a boy, me have to take him from you. Cause you can't today and sit there, man.
You provide?
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, your baby have bags, you buy baby bags.
I built the
Your baby
house.
have pampers, you buy baby things.
It doesn't matter.
Where you buy for the baby?
Hold on, wait.
Bring him into life.
Me can't say something. Wait there. Me can't price your son. No, remember, so me can't pay your son.
You can't go in, man.
Oh, no nasty. You want to know nasty.
Mommy, you can't mind
You know, I
this.
put now one garbage truck. Let me call one garbage truck to come to you. And you're pregnant and say you want your man.
Are you gonna drive a truck?
You're nasty. Me don't drive there. Me I drive, yes.
You need to start provide things. Cause see the man them left them now.
Me can't provide. Me can't give you other man, but you can't take none of my friend.
No, that's
that
the
was
thing.
the agreement.
You want to give people, man. You see thing with you? If you go in our empty barrel, okay, now if you can't mind your picnic, say put from my grill.
You know, I buck up my breathing, I'm telling you that. I buck up my breathing, I threw my junk in night, you know. And me I do it, a style, you know. Tell her that.
You might find out, I know you are the father neither.
Oh, a Christmas coming for me.
When write it down with pencil. Make sure you use no pen. Use one pencil like you rub out it with the rubber.
Then the next one. Come in, cause you don't mash up people
I
like.
don't come in nowhere with them to go and go in. I still don't want that stuff in my yard.
Oh, what's up, YouTube? We reached to the end of the movie. So, want to like, share, and subscribe. You understand? Some fun that takes me right now. Is it? So, remember, like, share, and subscribe. And before you leave, please remember, all of the team member them are go to Panama. So, if you want to sponsor anybody on Davi Dan HD camp, you can contact the number on the screen. You see me? And just send me name who you want to sponsor. You see it? Cause Iron Bird nice, I don't want to left nobody. Big up.